A US military aircraft carrying around 205 illegal Indian immigrants, mostly from Punjab and neighboring states, is expected to land at Shri Ramdas International Airport in Amritsar on Wednesday afternoon. Initially scheduled for a morning arrival, the flight has been delayed and authorities have yet to release specific details about the passengers. The C-17 military aircraft's arrival comes amid a renewed crackdown on illegal immigrants by US law enforcement agencies following the recent inauguration of President Donald Trump. Many of the deportees had entered the US through illegal means commonly referred to as donkey routes, spending large sums of money in hopes of a better life. Others had entered on legal work permits that later expired, rendering them undocumented. Punjab Director General of Police DGP Gaurav Yadav confirmed that the state government has made arrangements to receive the deportees, setting up special counters at the airport to facilitate the process.
I think ਪੰਜਾਬ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਮੀਟਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਸੀਐਮ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਇਮੀਗ੍ਰੈਂਟਸ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਫ੍ਰੈਂਡਲੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਰਿਸੀਵ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਆਪਣੇ ਕਾਊਂਟਰ ਲਾਵਾਂਗੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਘਰਾਂ ਹਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਜੀ ਇਨ ਟੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਸੈਂਟਰਲ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਊਗੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ। ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹਜੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਗੇਨ ਥੀਸ ਆਰ ਅਨਕਨਫਰਮਡ ਰਿਪੋਰਟਸ ਕਿ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਲਾਰਜ ਨੰਬਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ people are likely to be deported.
Expressing his disappointment over the US government's decision, Punjab NRI Affairs Minister Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal criticized the deportation move, stating that many of these individuals had contributed significantly to the US economy and deserved permanent residency instead of forced repatriation. Dhaliwal announced plans to meet with India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar next week to discuss the broader concerns of Punjabis living in the US. In a broader appeal, Dhaliwal urged Punjabis to avoid illegal migration routes and instead focus on legal pathways to international opportunities. Acquiring proper skills, education, and language proficiency is the key to accessing global opportunities. He emphasized encouraging the youth to research legal options thoroughly before pursuing life abroad.